Hello everyone, today we will learn how to send Slack messages when a new Salesforce contact is added. So whenever a new contact is added in your Salesforce account, you want to notify your team members in your Slack as well. So create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect so that you don't have to do this again and again manually. In this integration that we will learn, our trigger will be the contact created in Salesforce and our action will be send message in Slack group. Let us learn how to do that. So let us create this integration where every time a new contact is added in Salesforce, your Slack group will be updated. If you want to add to any new channel, you can select your channels from this left side panel given to you. So let us quickly create this automation and sign in into our automation software Pabbly, so that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly to you. We are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, that is given under Pabbly Connect, and then you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right side, you will see a big blue button that's written Create Workflow. Click on the button to give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Slack messages when new contact is added to Salesforce. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on the screen. We have trigger and action windows in front of us. The trigger window says when this happens and the action says do this, which means that whichever application you're going to use in your trigger, an event will take place which is going to trigger this workflow and enable the action application to perform the assigned action. For this workflow, our trigger application is Salesforce. So choose the application and the event is going to be to create a contact. So choose the trigger event as new contact. You can also read what's given below, triggers when a new contact is created to your account. Now, once this is done, you have to connect Salesforce and Pabbly Connect in such a way that every time a new contact is created over here, Pabbly Connect can fetch the information of that specific contact. Click on Connect. Add new connection, connect with Salesforce. It does not require a lot of detail. You just have to allow when it detects your account open over here. When you allow, the authorization is successful and now the accounts are connected. Now when you click on Save and Send Test Request, you have to go back to Salesforce to create a contact. Click on the button, go to Salesforce, come over here in Contacts and then click on New over here. And now you can give the details of your newly creating contact. The name, the title of the newly created contact, the birth date, and from where we got this lead as phone inquiry. The phone or the mobile number, so I'm going to add the mobile number, email address, and then if you want to add details like some place, name of the city, and then the zip code. All right, this is done. Click on Save and the contact is created over here like you can see. Now you go back to Pabbly Connect and see that we have received a response over here. We have the customer, that's the title we gave, Mr. The address you remember. It's a little bit scattered, but you will find all the information that you have added just now to create a contact. Here you can see the date creation, the inquiry type, and all the other details. The email address is over here. So all the details are here, which means the contact created information has been received by Pabbly Connect. Now we need to transfer some of this information into our Slack channel. So let us first of all add our action application as Slack and choose the event as send channel message. We don't need to send any image. We just need to send some information. So click on Connect, add new connection and connect with Slack. Now in this case, you have to either type user or bot depending upon what action you want to perform. So click on this here link and then it will give you a differentiated explanation of what cases are there where you will use the token as user and for bot as well. So if you want just to send channel messages with or without image, you have to choose user. Otherwise, you have to enter bot over here. Okay. So now what are we going to enter over here? We will enter over here bot because both of these works can be done. Click on save and then the accounts will be connected once you just click on allow over here. Give it 2-3 seconds. It will load and yes, the button is visible. Click on allow and now Slack and Pabbly Connect will be connected in such a way that the information received by Pabbly Connect over here from Salesforce will be transferred to Slack. Now first you have to select this channel over here. So you go to your Slack and see that you have so many channels created. If you want to create in the random one, okay, or we can say Pabbly test, you can click. So choose your Pabbly test, just type over here. Yeah, this was the one. This is the name of the channel. Now what is the message? A new contact has been added to Salesforce, full stop /n, and then we will enter the details. So what are the details? Mr. space John Walker is the name. So run for the name. Either you can scroll in this big list or you can just type in the search map data. This way you will straight away go to the contact or the content that you are looking for. Again, we put a / and n because we want the next line to appear in the next line under this name. Then we have, what is the title? It's customer. I don't think so we need to enter this. But yeah, we can enter the place. So from which place? This is the address. Then we had the city name as new city. And then we have the pin code. So you can enter some hint of the pin code. So yeah. So a new contact has been added with this name and from this place. Once this is done, you just have to scroll down, come here and click on save and send test request. You can see that we have received a response over here and the contact has been added. This is how it will be visible. First of all, a confirmation is here and no error is here, which means that our work has been completed successfully. So let us close this window and go back to our Slack channel to check. Yes, this was the channel we selected and this is the message that we have drafted. So which means that every time a new contact will be created over here, this information in the way that we have created a message, in the same way it will be transferred to our Slack channel. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.